Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create MySQL database, add users to the MySQL database, and assign users to the database. We will do it by going to the local host of our WAMP server. This is the main page of the WAMP server local host. Then go to the PHPMyAdmin. You can log into the MySQL by giving the username and password. Oops, I gave the wrong password. Uh, it has no password. Username is root and with no password. So here we get the main screen of the PHPMyAdmin. From here, first of all, I will create a database. To create a database, click on the database tab, and over here we will give the name of the database. So I'll give it the name, for example, real estate. If I want to create a database for the real estate, this is the database name, and click on the create. So over here we have the database created. If you go to the main page and see the list of the database, we have real estate database. So this is how we create database. The next thing is to create users. So we will go to the user accounts, and over here I will say add user account. First of all, I have to give the username. Let me give the username as Heather, for example, and the host is localhost. I will create user for this host. I will give any password, for example, ABC8123, ABC8123, and then I will click on go to create the database. The passwords are not the same, so let me give the password again. For simplicity, I will just give 123. For the first time, I am not granting any privileges, so I will just click on go to create the user. Now we have a new user with the name Heather. Now if we click on the user accounts, we will have a new user Heather. Now the next thing is to assign privileges to the user, and the user host name is localhost, and the privileges, global privileges are usage. I need to give all privileges to the users. So I will go to the real estate database, then go to the privileges, and then over here I can add the user, or either I can go to the user accounts and then go to the edit privileges. Since I am going to give privileges to a real estate database, I will click on the database, select the real estate database, and then go to the global and check all. It will give all privileges to this particular database. So when I click on the go, it will grant privileges to the real estate database. So if I go again to the databases, if I go to the database, we have real estate database, and if I check the privileges, we have the user Heather with all privileges to the real estate database, which is stated over here. Now we have, in this presentation, I have told you how to create a database. We have created a real estate database. The next thing we did is that we created a user with the name Heather, and the next step was to assign privileges to this particular users on the real estate database. So in the next step, we will install our content management system. So we will install a Drupal in the next step. Thank you very much.